Ndio. No tuyapatumia akameme. Ndio. Because it's Thursday. You see, entertainment nowadays ravatara go put so much effort to either active or passive entertainment.
Yes. Because there is much availability.
Yes. Actually, people don't even do song requests. Itene show share radio show the share cross request.
Yes.
Na remo ne ogia request here we bo January. Ugathakirwo ni wa bua wa weru. Yes. Oh yeah, the other one was called who? Thumani Kipanga. Yes. You request le wanyika. People who ulikuwa umeitishwa miaka ya jadi. Yes. There was very little room for choice.
Nema
Entertainment. Narugogori. Timesie meigi anything that can entertain you that is not yourselves. Because it's year 19 ago to kumeja.
Because there is a lot to keep you busy.
Yes. You know, before dusk, they sing, entertain themselves.
Even how you know, mind I get to bottle was here now.
And the singing games that were back then. Those you did was here, you don't know how not as
you now, Haiko.
Oh, yes. What am I
you know, Agamedukuru, not at home.
Not at home. You would sit down and beat stories. Entertain yourself. Yes.
Ginyara murenogera
murutoro. Tona moigira nyoba gutire tawa. Yes. Especially when there was moonlight.
And now you would bask outside.
Yes. Because your moonlight was light that you have not seen at night. Nio theri muige muno. Ukora ni rona kwa nyina wa nguru. Mweri weke. Weke makia. Yes. Riu hindi wakora miciri ya entertainment makona kindu wetagwo a transistorized radio. Yes. Iwezi ya transistorized radios neitoida. Yes. I think there's even a country song. Yara yuhoro wa the transistorized radio. Yes.
There is a country song etago.
Yes.
I blue transistor radio.
Oh yes. I think it's John Williams. Listen
to the radio.
Oh yes.
It's by Don Williams.
Because radio was big. Yes.
Oh no, radio was big.
It is still very big, but now the gadget itself. Radio kenyewe. Yes. Na niwakora ti mesie meite. Yes.
Hemia kerare hoti mesie ho the yari radio.
Yes. Ona wakoraga riri family yanyu ri baba guo mukuru ni wokurite akona wari wakura ki
radio.
Yes.
To ne athire Nairobi hihi.
Yes.
Kana akiumagara kiona wari
rie ko ure his brothers would keep him company. Mathikiririe ki
athikiriria radio.
Wanu moka ako mucibithia tondu agicimba ri hienda na company.
Actually ona ungiaiguira kwaria radio ri.
Yes.
Nuamenya muthuri mwene kuo
kundu kou. Na nuamenya riu radio mohoro magithomwo ri. Huu ni muktasari wa habari, msomaji ni mimi Edward Kadilo. Mkuu wa mkoa wa Pwani ukaigua amra kou nethiete. Uthiete kou guothe. You see, na radio no ri ndiagura gwate on demand tore wigira nyumba. You put on every media, even without watching or listening. Ti andu aingi magurite TV maikara nayo hori.
Acha.
Yes.
Aigira nyumba we wamekira woni ri.
Yes.
Unafanya shughuli zako huko.
It gives the ambience. Unakodra mirorera. Yes. Tene muno ri ni wakora kwa nyukwe radio. No radio yori. No utare maita mare mo mithikeirie hare mwaka. Tondu wa kizingiti cha mawe. Mahiga make?
Mahiga ma radio.
Yes.
No, tito muthe ati mundu okiraga agakia radio.
Yes.
Ugathikiriria radio the whole day.
Yes.
Gutiari uguo.
Actually ni mwota gwika ithe wanyu kindu gitagwo riri. Nyamu no yakorora mundu ena bia cigana.
Lifestyle audit.
Yes. Kuringana riria arathikiriria ke
radio.
Kwaja ogionio kana efaridi. Ini ya bururu kana ni ya yero yari goro.
Ya yero niyo yari.
Ya yero ni ahura mikwa wega piyo gikagucia.
Muthe angiagurire pia ithatu cia efaridi ya yero. For mwamenyage bia.
Yes.
Na mukamenya ni mukuigua Kamaru cigana ona.
Wega proper.
Ni mukuigua wa maingi.
Na ni kurori alpha broad mumenyo nake ti nyenje. Mukuigua ura brigadier sabari. Let's go kuchuku sakuri yamabiri soda kuku.
Ngiro tawanga le fita setera.
Hai alisio. Na cia South Africa cia South Africa cia tawagali mafura. Okay, ali gidiaro. Na nigeze riwa rodi tura gekira iPhone shaka shaka. Thank you Mr. DJ for playing my song. No, radio ni thogwo ni agiagurire. Acoke gena kindu gitawa economic deep.
Nimwakorogo, you have the gadget, but you have no power to power the gadget.
You have no way of maintaining it. Nitogore gai na rwezi yake.
Cia maguta.
Yes.
Nigwakira wiki ithatu.
Yes.
Mutare muigwa radio muci ucio.
Yes.
Kana mweri.
Oh yes. O Saturday ahetuka hau na mutingo wa ng'ombe kameka.
Ura rukuku. Egacoka kahumbiro na gatamba ya karia ka mauthi.
Yes. Na kamekia the mothballs. Iko yura ino-ini.
Ndo nyenje.
Muke oya radio hau hakue mwaka. Yes. Nyarege thige kagia ndithuru.
Kerurume.
Na balele aya beza cia mahiga kwe mameta makara ekira full volume
mumenye ako
itora rimenye ni araturendi igero necio cia reels na status na post. Yes. Kaiwa kori gitire kaiwa kwa kaiwe
Ngoni jogi dekangairi goi kurui
yone ori ora nyamareka me
ukamenya za shiringi.
Yes. Na mucie wakoro wa mukuri nuri they were very firm gutire bu magi athaki rutai rwa gikurinu.
No,
never ever. No, never ever. Yes. Oh, kama noa. Anu ya koinu to matikundaga ni asiva besa wega kagura
mahiga.
Yes.
Kuna kuno kigoco.
Na ciaka majoru kora-ini yakwa iciranagia tukurara na kota de mathani aratuingata mai Kairìtu rurua igikaya ikiumaga muka hope against all odds. Hey, kini mutabwe kire kindu mungithikiria mwi neighboring. Muka iwe ekira palake wa Jesse.
Jari ya Julia Lucy.
Bageire kiene muka utua luga ya itunya ni muka ga mukunyu nake hura othi
agaria aje muno ni gwikira cia ici mairi nganga.
Yes. Goro ya mundu iria theru niyo kanitha wa mwathani. Muka hope against all odds that the turban man favors your taste.
Atukani hani.
Okay, you are give ya. Elimele kuniakwile mahaloni na gilioni magetigo na Naomi. But sometimes you would wonder what your father does. How no mama nyajo ni na abia.
Natijega.
Tono na mano ari. Ile wa Ismail ile. Kwa gotia mahiga sata.
Makainia mikoothe acia kigoco.
Yes. Makainia ciothe cia nene. Sami nene.
Mother and son.
Yes. Hĩndĩ andanyitire marũa ma mwathani.
Mani tondu thogu haria anyiteire mbia.
Yes.
Ainirio muthenya umwe na icio ingi akiinira ri.
Icio ingi akiranga ithanduku. You will listen to a lot of other people's tastes. Kalamu wako ninge nake uria murigainie mwena uyu ungiri. Is an upwardly mobile employee in Nairobi. Oka weekend. Na hora ithogo cia gym leaf.
Akamwikia ofrenda.
Oh Lord, you know I have no friend like you. When heaven is not my home, then what will I do? Ukaligwa, how is that a song?
Tereira haria reigua. Kione.
Seria koiga. Riu gwikatia. Gaja iguthire.
Na we sumu.
Seria koiga. Mukagana gota bakare kwari na ngumo. Kolire ndemethie kai nieke kirio ndui. Kanyeni mwenyiri ire nyothe ate maeme muoyo. Mukaiwa arute agekira Skita Davis. Yes. Riu acenjia muno. Ukaiwa afro mama toto wasagana. Salamu. Mona athogu agite mibango muno. Nena radio kwa ja detachable speaker.
National star.
Mukarigwa atiriri. Kata bajeteire mahiga. Esi radio huthagira cai. Never mind. There were a few times wakorane kwagia kaundu kwa waki niwe akahoya ke Saudi akahoya la inari riu radio yanyu yathie kou ri mwahoyaga mahiga matigeke atia
matigathire fiu
tondu that was the token ukimecokia ndwarihagio ni umecokia na mahiga. Yes. Reko urithio tukumugima ukareherwo wekira mukwa mwithikiririe sumu. Yes, kaiba Gala sokia kwa radio.
Ni anina hinya wa gutwarithia mukwa.
Wathikiriria Eveready Paka Power Show.
Mahiga manina hinya wa gutwarithia mukwa.
Yes.
Ona kwa radio gutiaikaraga.
Gutiaikaraga muno. Riu aja kwaria gitithagia gacoke gakira ki. The radio legends, I tell you. Blackmail. Yes. Hoodwinking. Yes. Scandals.
Yes.
And some of us growing up, I don't know whether that happens nowadays. Niwa kuragona the best years of your life.
No, everyone has the best years of their life.
Depending depending on the velocity of the scandal you were protecting, nyoge ikarie ginya miaka 3 miega ya wodo doini. Yes.
Okirira soft.
Absolutely. Although you used to run into a windfall, okamenya reu haha ne wariga muko
yo.
Ngoyo cie kiatia.
Teke.
And it would happen coincidentally. Nothing planned. You see, we did not have the intelligence here to execute plan. Wasemana yana kiodo keu negative gatuika munyaka hariwe. Yes.
Ukamenya bas.
I am now a tenderpreneur. Yes. The radio horror situation yari in the very rare occasion odhiete mugudoro ogo hindo arekero akwa muda wikahio kanini kana kairetu kanini
kanogethera mbuko ciaku.
Yes. Okay, what the only recreation you do is to go to the river. Wakiga otembe kidogo okirania migunda yothe nginya ke
nginya ngurumo.
Yes. Wakinya kuria ngurumo ineri, you know you are free, everything is silent around there. Yes. We ona hii wena eta wote Kenya mweke kia mundu oinaga ya kuringa nyoni
kigutha.
Yes. Wena kio we weteie kugutha ke
nyoni
kiro
we kenie.
Yes. Suddenly out of the thicket okay, you are a funny movement. Yes. Okay, you have
fario.
Yes. Of course, your curiosity and inquisitive nature of a young boy or girl. Okay, na kumenya what could be.
Ni nini inaendelea?
Yes.
Ama hiyo ni nini?
Yes.
Ukalirika na ole mwe we are hunters and gatherers and our curiosity of the bush.
Yes. Tuanado adia dudu kwe. Dudu kwe. To your surprise, we are going to mahuti oguo. Wakora your elder brother in a very compromising position with a village lady. Okamya no igera kadrathi. Gako look the other way.
Ore vuge malerirwo mareka.
Yes. Where uria wona ukabata ihe. At that point you are not at the negotiating level yet.
Watiga ko sudu. No kahura githaka.
Waithaka. Maki waithaka. Wewe ngiye mothe. Maki waithaka. Wa gema. Diroka.
Avikuga.
Yes. Wewe gathi ukamohia rugongo. Ukamenya they will present themselves to the ombudsman.
Ukamenya no magugwetha.
Yes. Maisha maku magirira hau. You started living like an ex-officio. Kamaki. Oka. Oka ni chautere.
Kwa mundu werire.
Yako gothokira.
Ukude tumia ya kwanirira.
Kankinwa kige.
Kwa mundu werire.
Yani yo ne perisi.
You
know you have to state your case. I know. Nijui.
Demuonirio.
Ira aboke. Okay. Bodio wore thwiti.
Okahakuona.
Okay, the system of the cartel has been onboarded successfully.
Kumburamura affair has just begun.
Yes. Because they have the choice of moving away from the village or paying the price of silencing
the village.
Namatie koraga.
Namatie guthamia.
It's your blood brother. Yes. Leo waikarago guori. Ne wa saga kona brother yaku. He would waikarite wega. Julius. Haikomi.
Yago ikatia.
Haikomi kana ajuge. Jana weka nuwa kesiringi igire. Diata igire.
Dire bia.
Ye diata igire ha 10.
Komidira kurutira ko.
Akondo ko ikomita kazi kwela thava. Ora ta mukoye na Paris.
Ubia ndia kuriotie konagirira.
Na niwamenya nginya kuongerera cubi. Na Paris kwaja mama itha ne muujia. Kena we kinua kigiwe kinua bagi. Okamenya
ugakirio ringi.
The contract is renewed.
Murungura is due.
Yes. Silence ya mweri uyu ri ndure heire munene.
Ndio kule asia mweri uyu.
Yes.
Kana huya biringi.
And they would also demand you become their ADCs and security. Nake maki. Koro dauro de maheba nyakaura.
Nake.
Tavio maore. You maore kana ajuge. You go and wage war on behalf of this blackmailer. Wakinya hado kona riu. Mwena wa mwanake ri ni uratuba kimirutire uga shift ugakora Paris
to the other party.
Yes. Paris. No duda cia thakame kwanyu.
Ine kuro ni baba.
Aya. Kademo kora ndimwire. Tio tu inya.
Na umirire akienda.
Eri weto multi bet.
Ya miena eri.
Kadrathi ka ugakuwa natural death. Gwatana yo nayo ya huruka.
You have been driven out of business.
Yes. Wahura gwono hirwega. Okerwo ukauge.
Thio kauge. No getwo fu.
Yes.
Thio kauge.
Kumala now, and it was very addictive. If you ran into that kind of windfall coincidentally, you would make it your trade.
DCI.
You would become a professional blackmailer.
Hovering around the hideout.
Like a ghost. In the thicket. You would scale the forest.
Hoping you'll another couple.
Yes. Come on now. Ikanyona muga karoboka wesagi. Come on ni wale. It will get very compromising. So that you record with your eyes. Tera madhiage. Matike gwatia te hatiu mondu. Haya makajo. No gedara
magwethe.
Me okay.
Ne wahudu.
If you would get at least 2 a year.
Wewe huna mwaka mugima.
Kadrathi igire mwaka. Supply ya mithwiti na milioni.
Na gude.
Yes. And the defense. Security. Yes.
And favors here and there.
Yes.
No amatahithagia nginya mai ruwi.
Yes.
If they have no monetary offering.
Yeah, they would meho the physical.
Yes.
Mwere na thakame.
Rio na maji ulia duramu.
Akaboti koda idea na ogumuga.
No, you would force them into labor.
No, especially if their family had a reputation to keep. The bigger the reputation, the more the contract.
More expensive.
Yes. If the parents involved were either teachers, preachers, or local administration, no amanya enone case ya hegi. It's a small case, small claim.
Sira wa hegi.
Yes. Aikara horete oro. Wetele yiri. Kamenya kasi ni yaku. Nyere didie boko siake. Okamura. Aisaro mwana uyu.
Ni ukubanga.
Sasa kama
wewe.
Yes.
Iwe zako ciona gawe no buroti uthiago kagurania mandathi na thwiti.
Makarigo kai wandikirwo gwa turathi.
Kabina mugiko wa kanjuri hagia.
Yes.
Kumbe
you are part of the scene cover up scheme. Oh, let me tell you. Well, ya kwa jia no amanya hideout. You would map out.
No amanya nuna.
Hali ya nuna gekiri. Rungu rwa darasa. How?
That area.
Mutire muri muona mundu weke. Wayo kugete. Okaria muri. Wetara cinema ingi.
Na no amenya thiko iria most likely kwaja Sunday.
Yes. You are likely to run into a clandestine. Nidamwana.
Nidamwana.
Wakati saike no urite. Reure.
Mabati.
Yes. You see, back in the days, there was an old saying, yeah, what it is. Drop your wood mabati maki oro. Because it was somehow ironical. No akora mundu ni aitete na marefe. No kirore kiagwa giro mabati proper. Yes. Because the toilet was a signature. Yes. No giakora ha rugiri. Riu ukituka au no na andu cio mena kihariro. Yes.
Kuligana structure ya marugametie.
You would develop a very low opinion. Ya andu mena kiorora rickety and ragged. Yes. Eke inamuka na giakireirwo ro.
Kana kehana takingigoa.
Yes. Actually, there is a point. Wakora the only cemented structure in the home is the toilet. Yes. Oko kuothe you on earth.
Munakanyaga tu dunia.
Dio hiyo. Yes. Mabati na more. Tikondo koige kwa necessity ate mabati meru.
Asa mabati meru agoroti nyumba ya meini irakuri.
Yes.
Maya mage you could forage around.
Yes. And sometimes you would work your way up. Ni mwaka nyumba jeru. No nuthu ni mabati matene. Mwaka mumeru hetie taku update kiria app ya Google Play Store.
Ele mwaka nyumba jeru.
Yes.
No besha ikaga kuigana.
Yes.
Kuhe nyumba uthio mweru ki mabati.
Yes.
Muka go tondu kuria turari no kurari kugiteri.
Yes.
Mau meku they can do for a while.
Exactly. Wakora especially yaja master bedroom. They host three. Matikisho no mabati wa chokia. Dogerigithania marima ma mesumari.
Asa. No.
Yes. So you would have to bear with some trickle effect. Paula. Yes. Maja yana theine. Mokite. Magekoya erori. Priority
aheagwo haria master bedroom.
Yes.
Guku kungiri.
Yes.
Either no muthingo makuru.
Yes.
Kuo na mugia bura in future.
Yes.
Though has nothing to hide bedroom ya ciana.
And yes. And people are very focused. They would have a plan. Yes. Muria okana mabati mau.
Matano.
Yes. Muria getu kabura. No tuthongete. Yes.
Macio riu makuru maruto ri.
Yes.
Mau riu no magite kwa nguku.
Yes. Kiugo. Kana madonetwo. To someone whose situation is worse. Nyoba kwenye mabati wakora maba fagata video ya YouTube. Wakora 52% loading. Na rimwe ni wagi marama tare ma ukinyirira heroin.
Waje imwana. Ya nyino yakora kwa mwishorio.
Yes.
Mwisho wa ero.
Kwa ero ine. Na mukaro ndio murago mugunda.
Aisiva gima na mugunda ri. Ninyo moke maigua.
Ha ero ri. Yakoro DSQ. There is no access from the main house. In most cases, yakoro detached servant quarter. Yes. Mafati mero maika uga moe valley. There was a valley. Na valley yodia kira wone food yaku wega.
Asa. Tondu ingia guikara wega.
Yes. Nyobe zora wega atia.
Yuraga.
Yes. Na yakira wone food yokoragwo na magathi magutinia mafati. Yes. Magi kiugire magomane hau.
You are in your bulu mwerekeire miaka mugwanja-ini na hau.
Yeah, in your 7th year. Sometimes there would be the plan, but the priorities would shift. Yes.
And economic situations.
Kwa jogionire me sitting room ne de malekia sitting. Moke bedroom le ya airetu. Gushoke kugyo mwanyu wathie secondary. Mwaga imeenda. How no waja yere ukuhangana kuria bati yumaga.
Obiga marima.
Yes. Awokira rucini ukona menyere yotheri. Tore mafuku ma Jehova Witness mwana ya Ngai akimurika. It will be almost like a disco light. Neta kwena matama meta watema makira hema ini ogu.
Mareko.
Meo mana snake light, not snake light.
Which ones?
There is a mako mana rurigi. Ma Christmas. They wanna tare mo. Ni marima. Yes. They were you are more no le gitoro mafati ni mero le. Ma manyu makuru le ma expand na ma condense makinoga. They ma ne mo me no gora. Wakara dio kaiwa.
Makumeno golirio na momba kinoga.
The market in saturation. Yeah, expansion and contraction.
Na haria ne mahuragwo kirauni.
Yes.
We ginya gwaku na theini kirauni ne giathirire.
Giathirire tene. Kwaja hau kirauni ne hakirwo ne bobo ire yaka kanya muka white. Hebo boya karo da rawa white. Very compact. Yes. Ona
kirauni gwaku ne giathirire.
Dina trademark. Amo ito lido twathi kurekia mabati mariko.
Bacio.
Yes.
Tondu riu no akinya handu riu ugakora riu miaka ne thirio biu.
Yes.
Riu ni ukinyire riu wakuma biu kuria main house.
Yes.
Riu ugie kiubu ni ukinyire wakurua.
Absolutely. Na remwe ni ugia godire mabati ma kiubu wetu ngumanetie. Gukoro nyumba no mainire. Tika igoro na mwena kuri mwena mukuru. Ni wahoranagirio na maya makuru. Kero mareke magemie gwa thoguo. Ni uru muno nyumba yaku ikihenia.
Na gwa thoguo ni gwa thangia.
Never mind mabati mathanga ne maingiraga rangi. Yes.
Manyita rangi mathanga.
Yes. We are from the struggle.
Nĩrĩo yagwo.
Yes.
Ndio wewe itungumanĩtie ũgũre maku ma gwaka kiumbui.
Ukagũra mabati 10. Kerwa ũkũrũkia marĩkũ.
Tũkũrũkia mwena ũrĩa. Tweta bundi.
Yes.
Bundi magũrĩ.
Acokie mau kũrĩa gwaku. Othio kauge.
You would go nowhere.
And you sold your lifetime savings and your livestock. Ukero indo icio ri urareragira ku.
Ogoko.
Ewe. Ndo tikana to turacokanĩria irongo. Ayo demio. Aria kurira cogu. To cogu ni athaga thoguo.
No riu betha time arakinya ku intervene ri.
Yes.
The damage is done.
Mahoreirwo tene. Kona kiubu ya. Kero kuno ame ya gofia. Simna tukutaka bypass. Toge tulira.
Na tulipi.
Sisi tunakuja Wima Vet. Wewe tulira edition.